Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Just Sophie. Today
We're back in Brooklyn, New York for another visit to Navi's kitchen. He's Navi's seafood swag sale.
Does that look good or what? We're gonna do crab mac. Looks so good.
Let's try a little bit. Go ahead, get in there. What's it taste like?
Tastes like just with macaroni with cheese.
Didn't taste any crab?
Nope.
Alright, let me try. What, are we having a war over here? Well, I tasted the crab. It's baked in. So, I can see what you didn't think you were tasting crab. You were probably, thought you were tasting probably the crust of the bacon of it. But I definitely tasted the crab meat. And it went very well with the creaminess of the noodles and the cheese. It was really, really good. And I see you're still going in there.
Don't mind me. Fried shrimp.
Next on Navi's kitchen is the seasoned fried shrimp. Let's try some of this. Go ahead, get one.
There's so many.
Look how big they are.
I don't know what to choose.
There we go.
Ow, ow, ow.
A little hot?
Oh,
You didn't even eat the shrimp. You ate the crust.
Yummy.
How'd you like the seasoning?
Good.
Nice and seasoned? Let me try one. Look how big that shrimp is. That's a nice sized shrimp.
They give us big shrimps.
Very, very good seasoning. The shrimp is just packed full of flavor. Very, very good. Definitely recommend the shrimp. I
And
really
I'm
like that. I'm about to
still
have
eating
another
it.
one. I see you eating it. They're really good.
Try.
The seafood super boil from Navi's kitchen.
That looks
Look
so
at
big.
all that nice food packed with seafood. Some andouille sausages, some corn, all in a nice broth. Looks and smells so delicious.
I already want to try it.
So we have some nice, huge crab legs.
And a pincher.
Break that off.
The meat's inside of there.
Look
Whoa.
at that juicy meat inside. There you go, so.
I'm gonna try this. Mmm. That's so good.
So yummy, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Let's see how you like it, Dad.
But I gotta crack into it first.
This is so good.
I didn't bring any cloths with me to crack it open, so I'm doing this by fingers, which you shouldn't really do because you could hurt yourself. But I don't have my clothes with me today to crack it. So might have to do that later on. Let's see what this one is. If I can get this out. Got a little piece. Delicious, as crab meat always is. Nicely seasoned. Oh, there you go. You got some. I have some on the sides. Next, we have some lobster. You can see it came out of the tail.
This
Let's
is its
take
tail?
Take it off.
I thought it was its stomach.
No, it's the tail.
It looks like a caterpillar.
There you go, sir. How's the seasoning?
That's good.
Nice, beautiful lobster. Right off the tail, fresh. Lobster was very good. You can definitely taste the Creole seasoning. Very, very nice blend of seasoning to go with that nice lobster tail.
This is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna try some corn. Tastes like normal corn.
Let me try a bite. Maybe some of that seafood flavor went off on it.
Tastes like normal corn.
Very tasty and buttery. And some of the seafood juice did go onto the corn. So you definitely taste some of that great seasoning. Sylvia, you can't get enough of this. Also in this, we have some andouille sausage. We have some nice big potato. And we have little shrimps. They're not little, they're pretty big. Look at the size
Oh
of that.
my gosh.
That's actually a really big shrimp.
That's a big one. I want to try that one.
Yeah?
I can see its little,
Let me just peel it for you.
so good.
Mm-hmm. You have to really get into it because it's a seafood boil. So you gotta make sure you're planning for a messy outing. I should have brought my bib, but unfortunately I don't have it, so we'll just make our way through it. Here, let me rip it in half for you. There we go.
Thank you. Wow, that is good seasoning.
Let me try. You're absolutely right, so very good seasoning. I love when they mix the seafood with the shell still on it, so the flavors all seep into that and truly intensify as the seafood cooks with that seasoning. Oh, so good.
This is
Now we're gonna try some of the andouille sausage. Sometimes the sausages are a little spicy, but let me know how it is.
not spicy at all.
Is it good flavor?
Mm-hmm.
Nice seasoning?
Tastes like normal sausage that I always eat.
Mm. The sausage tastes a lot like a Polish sausage, like kielbasa. I would, if I could choose any sausage that would be most in common with, it'd probably be that. Very, very good, because I like Polish sausage as well. Whenever you go to Navi's Kitchen, you always got to get one of their banana pudding desserts.
So good.
You love this. This is like your favorite. Always nice and creamy. You could probably eat a whole jar by yourself, couldn't you?
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Bye.
And thank you all for joining us on our adventure again to Navi's Kitchen. And hopefully you have a wonderful day.
Bye.